What's up guys, it's Josh back with another video and welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into a very special topic, and that's how to stay motivated and succeed in the tech field, especially when you're faced with naysayers and those who don't quite understand your journey. So whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in tech, this video is for you. So let's get started. In our journey, we often encounter individuals who constantly chase new business ventures but never seem to follow through. Interestingly, they also tend to have opinions about traditional careers, and unfortunately, these aren't always positive. These individuals can be vocal, and their words, if not understood properly, can affect our own perception and motivations. But why do they behave this way? Let's delve into it. Now, understanding the mindset behind these behaviors is key. Often it's a mix of overcompensation for insecurities, differing values, and perhaps a fear of commitment. They might start to project to prove their worth or to seek validation. And while their journey is different, it's important to remember that it doesn't diminish the value or potential of a structured career in tech. So recognizing this helps us stay focused on our own goals. Now let's talk about the tech industry, not just in the terms of opportunity and innovation, but also in the terms of financial reward. Now, the tech sector is known for its lucrative salary packages. For example, software developers can earn an average salary ranging from $80,000 to over $120,000 annually. And this can go even higher with more experience and in certain companies. Now, beyond the salary, many tech companies offer comprehensive benefits package. And this is something that I've talked about on my channel before. They have stock options and bonuses and a lot of incentives for people that bring the right skills to those positions. And just to share a personal story, in one of my roles as a senior financial systems analyst, and I work for a company called GSC Environmental, I had the opportunity to report directly to the vice president of information technology. And the main challenge was to integrate multiple systems within the company. And this integration was achieved through consistent weekly meetings, collaboration with various teams, and hands-on work with diverse ERP systems. And this experience was transformative, not just financially, but also in personal growth and global exposure. Now, staying motivated in the face of negativity requires strategy. First, setting clear goals is crucial. Know where you want to be and map out those steps to get you there. Secondly, seek mentorship and guidance. There's immense value in learning from those who've walked the path before you. And finally, embrace continuous learning. And this is something I always talk about, and shout out to DeJuan Lightfoot, but he pushes this message, lab every day. You should be learning something new every day. And that's mainly because this tech world is ever changing, and keeping up with new trends and skills is key to staying relevant and motivated. And also another thing that can help you stay motivated is by checking out these success stories. There are countless examples of individuals who face obstacles but emerge successful in tech. And these stories aren't just about triumph, they're about resilience, diversity, and breaking stereotypes. The tech industry is for everyone. It's a place where different perspectives and skills are not just welcome but needed. Now, as we wrap up, I want to remind you, your journey in tech is unique and valuable. Don't let the noise around you drown out your aspirations. Remember, success in tech is not just about coding or technical skills. It's about persistence, passion, and the courage to keep moving forward. So keep pushing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone who might need this message. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the tech field, so drop a comment below. But thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, and of course, keep it techie.